A predator thrives where unfamiliarity hides. Any dead fish can flow down the river, but it takes a live one to swim back upstream. Don't admire the flying bird before you know the pain of flapping. Bad friends will prevent you from having good friends. Dry thunder that tears the sky doesn't make you forget the storm of yesterday. Happy is a man who goes hunting for rats and catches an elephant. It is the absence of a cat that allowed the rat table. Only a goat that is tired of life invites a lion to dinner. The bird is up in the sky, but its eyes are on the ground. No matter how long a fallen tree stays in the river, it can never be a crocodile. The grass may be greener on the other side, but it is just as difficult to cut. The mouth does not forget what it tasted only one time. Those who arrive to the spring first drink the purest water. The house rat who goes swimming with his friends, the lizard will die from cold. Sanity is the playground for the unimaginative. No matter how big a child is, he cannot deny that he was once carried on the back of a woman. Even if the hen is poor, it cannot leave blank eggs. It is in the house of a coward that people gather and point to the tomb of yesterday's warrior. The one who shows off himself in every place will one day search for where to hide. The one who sleeps in his room knows where it is leaking. To love that one who never loves you is like rain falling in the forest. Get what to lend out, and at the same time how to demand it back, for payment might be a tussle. An elephant grows and becomes an adult even if people do not like it. The problem with the palace attendant isn't how to steal the king's drums, but where to play them from. To neglect one's ancestors would bring ill fortune and failure in life. There is a good reason why natural water never runs at night. The lion may be king of the jungle, but he knows he shouldn't stand in the way of the elephant. Not all the baboons that enter a maize field come out satisfied. Being blind doesn't mean one cannot dream or imagine. Don't make a goat your friend if your skirt is made of plantation leaves, or else it will strip you naked by the truth but never sell it. A weird child at times brings sweet fruits at home. The ancestors may annoy you, but don't make a mistake of annoying them back. They may annoy you forever. The light of 1,000 stars doesn't equal the light of the moon. The cheapest way to improve your looks is to wear smile. A word written stays forever than 100 spoken words. The eye looking at the sun will not need an advisor before it blinks. The great tree chooses where to grow, and we find it there. So it is with the greatness in men. 95% of women are sexually attracted as soon as they see that a man tells her what he really wants and is honest with them. The sun shines on those who are standing before it, shines on the people kneeling under them.